Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll be showing you guys the difference between consistency and practicing. So I'll be using my Virtual comb and the Stay Soft and Free gel. I'm using gel for my middle part so that I could have a clean and crisp middle part. If you are a beginner braider, I highly suggest that when opening your middle part, you do it in sections. You open it and then you rectify that mistake, you see if it's straight, and then you continue to open it, just like how I'm showing you guys here. So I will be discussing more on the difference between consistency and practicing. I think we have all stumbled across a video that teaches you on how to braid, and no matter how many times you watch the tutorial, your braiding does not come out exactly as the braider. So the reason for that, it might be that you are not practicing on how to braid, you're not trying to perfect your skill, and you only just watching a video and thinking that if she could do it, I could do it too with your first try. And don't get me wrong, that is a great spirit that you must have when you want to try out something, but it doesn't work like that when you have to braid. So I'll be showing you guys what I mean when I say consistency and practicing. Kindly join the family, like and subscribe, and comment down below if you enjoy this type of content. As I am braiding, I make sure that the hair is not tangled up at the top the more I braid. Hence you'll see my hands go through the hair the more I braid. So this is what I mean when I say practicing. As you guys could see, the first line is not neat. There are mistakes there. There's a lump. This line isn't neat. Though, as you could see, because I'm practicing, my lines at the back are 10 times better. So now I'll be showing you what I mean when I say stay consistent. Consistency is key in everything that you do. So I think you guys have heard a lot of tutorials on how to braid, but I'll explain this quickly if there is someone who does not know how to braid. So first things first, you take small amounts of hair and you will start to braid with, as you guys could see the way I'm doing. The reason for this is that you want your stitch to be neat and not loose, so that the hairstyle could last longer. But kindly be careful when braiding that you don't pull the hair too tight so that the person that you're braiding has a headache. Just don't do that. As you guys could see, there is a difference between these two braids. Let us take a closer look. As you guys could see on the left side, there are some bumps. It's not quite straight, but then on your right hand side, the stitch is straight and there are no mistakes or lumps. The point that I'm trying to state here is that practicing will get you to a specific point where you know on how to braid, but staying consistent in practicing will make you the best braider, will give you more clients, and will be making you more money, and you will be excelling in such a great skill. I hope this video is more motivational, and everyone who wants to be a braider does not give up, because that's a step. The minute you're learning, the minute you're practicing, you a step ahead, and then now you're staying consistent, you're on another step. So I hope this was more of a motivational video, and you guys see the difference, that if you continue to practice and be more consistent, you'll be the best braider. You'll know on how to braid like our fellow YouTubers. You'll be making the perfect stitch. So this is our consistency part, but when you take a closer look at it, it is much more neater, the lines are much more neat, everything is on point. But if we were to compare it to our practicing parts, where the first line we had a lot of lumps, there are some places where we did not braid perfectly, and if we were to compare the two, when comparing the two, you could see the difference. On your left hand side we have your practicing, and on your right hand side we have where you stay consistent. I hope this was helpful and it motivates you to not give up because you're only a step ahead. Bye.